Miller School of Albemarle endurance team started with 6 cross-country runners, and we said, let's get out for a ride. It has grown to what it is today. 28 riders from all over the world, and national champions all over the United States.
Even in my first week, I learned a lot about different forms of cycling and other cyclists, what they do and how it's different, how they progress through the sport. It's just a good environment to be a cyclist.
It's part of the school. You know, cycling brings something special to it, and Miller brings something special to the program. You don't get to live that kind of lifestyle anywhere else.
We wanted to create a program where a student did not have to decide, should I be a full-time student or should I be a full-time cyclist?
I went to school in Colorado. As a sophomore, traveling started to increase a lot. I was struggling to keep up my grades and travel at the same time. At first, I didn't realize what Miller was as a program. Teachers helped me catch up or get ahead before I leave. Every time I get back after a race, I'm always focused on my academics. College is a huge priority for me.
We help both in the classroom and on the bike, but ultimately it's the student athlete who's lining up on the start line. They have to earn their successes.
You know, being all together all the time, whether we're on the bike or in class or in the dorms, trying to follow each other and trying to go harder than the other. It was just all pushing each other without knowing it.
I remember in my old school, when I would tell someone I was a cyclist, they'd be like, that's not a real sport. But no one here is like that. You always have people to like push you through it. Always have someone to tell me like, go ride.
We have 4 coaches here at the Miller School. We converse more than just how many watts are you doing. We can talk to them every day. How are they feeling? How is school going? How is the test? What does your prom dress look like?
Being able to ride with my coach and telling her how I feel every day, I think has definitely helped me mentally and physically. And I've definitely seen major improvements in my cycling and my motivation.
I wouldn't be where I am right now without the coaches here, without me attending Miller. They played a huge role in getting me into AVOLO.
I retired in 2015. I work now with amazing student athletes. Everything I learned over 12 years of racing professionally, I can now share with them face to face. I was a domestique. When my team leader would win, it was an amazing feeling, and I felt more fulfilled than when I won myself. I have that same feeling now with the kids. I feel their excitement and their aspirations to go to the next step.
Thanks for your support.
Thank you.
Thanks for everything.
Thanks so much.
Thank you for your support.